Hey guys, Josh here again with Windy City Equipment. Moving on with our series on preventative maintenance and PM contracts, everything PM. Um, Today I want to talk about the importance of having a lead PM technician. Okay, so I've talked about communication, I've talked about quality, I've talked about expectations, I've talked about what to do, what not to do. All right, so having a lead PM tech is what really brings everything that I've talked about so far together. Okay, so a lead PM is that guy that can. Hold on, let me digress for a second. So, um, we all know that a lot of times PMs are a way for a technician, a new technician, to break into the industry. Right? They start off doing PMs. They learn, they learn, they learn. They train, they train, they train. They become a full-fledged service technician. But during the learning process, they need mentorship, right? Because otherwise, if they're just thrown out onto PMs with nobody to guide them, nobody to teach them, nobody to train them, what's to stop them from being PM technicians forever? So the first reason to have a lead PM tech is to train, is to train all of these new guys, all the PM techs that want to advance. Um, and really work with them to not only maintain what they're doing, do a good job, but also improve. So that's the first thing. That's why having a PM tech, a lead PM tech, is important. The next thing is encompassing all of that other stuff that I had talked about in my previous videos. Okay, the communication, the expectations, the quality of the work. A lead PM tech needs to uh, uh, do random site visits, okay, and make sure that filters are being changed, coils are being cleaned up to your company's standards, right? All the proper information is being communicated to the customer. That's a good point too, right? An entry-level technician may not always know the best way to explain something to a customer so that they can understand it. Well, a lead PM tech, somebody more experienced, somebody that's done it, somebody that's been there, um, will be able to help with that, and that will only improve the communication. All right, identifying problems, situations, parts, somebody for that technician, that PM technician, to call when they see something. They know there's a problem, but they don't know exactly what the problem is or how to diagnose it. Right, where to look. Lead PM tech will point that person, that technician, in the right direction. All right, and and above and beyond that, lead PM techs should have a overall view of all the PMs that are being done, right, from scheduling to the main point of contact to invoicing and descriptions, at least to oversee, at least to review. Okay, a lot of that stuff is going to be handled by either a service manager, or somebody in the back office, things that I'm saying. But I think it's important that a lead PM tech be involved in some capacity, so they can better distribute that information and use that information to improve not only what they're doing, but what their PM techs are doing, and in turn what the customer is getting, what the customer is seeing. Okay, so that's the importance of having a lead PM, and I think that every company that's doing PMs should have a lead, unless you're a company that's using, say, full-fledged technicians or something like that for PM work, in which case would be overseen by the service manager. But anyway, that's all I got for today. I know it's a little bit of a short video, but that's my 2 cents. All right, make sure you subscribe below. If there's anything you want to see, comment, email, give me a call, let me know somehow. Sign up for our podcast, please and thank you. It's a lot of fun this year, 2018. You can get all this information while you drive, while you work, while you're doing other things, so you don't have to sit and look at this mug all day. Anyway, that's where we're at, and tune in next week. We're going to be talking about actually what I spoke about earlier. We're going to talk about using PMs as a segue into the HVAC industry. So tune in next week. We'll catch you then. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.